to Oracle Service Cloud August 2017 release. My name is Harriet Franklin and I'm an outbound product manager for Oracle Service Cloud. Today we're going to walk through 3 key features for Oracle Policy Automation or OPA. So as you know, OPA delivers smarter advice using online dynamic web forms known as interviews. Each interview is tailored and personalized to the customer. Oracle Policy Automation is part of the product portfolio for Oracle Service Cloud. Here you can see Oracle Policy Automation along with the other modules. Let's talk about the 3 key features in this release. Number 1, checkpoints for Service Cloud agents. Number 2, mobile assessments for Service Cloud. And number 3, REST APIs for hub deployments. Let's talk about the first one, checkpoints for Service Cloud agents. If you remember, customers can fill out an online interview. That online interview can be multiple pages. And as the customer starts to fill it out, they have the capability to pause that interview and come back at a later date. In this release, we're expanding that capability and allowing contact center agents to resume the interview on behalf of the customer. Let's take a look at an example. Here you can see an online interview and it's launched from the customer portal. And on this particular form, the customer is challenged and is having some difficulty filling out the online interview. They pause the interview, call the contact center, and the agent at the contact center is now able to pull up that online interview on behalf of the customer, assist the customer, and the agent can actually fill out the information, pause the interview, resume it at a later date, or the customer can resume it at a later date. So truly giving you that total omni-channel experience, whether it starts with a customer, is resumed with the agent, or goes back to the customer. The capability to do that is very easy. And what you have the flexibility to do is actually configure where those valid checkpoints are. Let's talk about the second feature, mobile assessments for Service Cloud. Assessments is a new feature that allows you to set up interviews as assessments. And typically when you have workers that work in the field, such as inspectors or people that do maintenance, you can now assign these assessments to your internal employees in the field. As they log in and they're assigned these assessments or interviews, then any relevant data from Oracle Service Cloud is now downloaded to their mobile device. This enables them to fill out the online interview, whether they're online or whether they're offline. And then when they get to the point where they connect online, they're able to sync the rest of that information up with Oracle Service Cloud. So really, if you want to summarize it, you design these assessments as interviews. You can configure this flexible workflow that assigns these assessments to your field workers or employees. The data automatically syncs up on their mobile devices. They're able to perform their duties, whether it's checkpoints or whether it's other types of inspections or any other mobile duties, and then they sync up when they log in. The final capability is REST APIs for hub deployments. So as you know, you can have multiple hubs in Oracle Policy Automation, and with the capability to have REST APIs, now you're able to deploy, explore, activate, retrieve, and update any of your policy models using the REST API. So for example, if you have policy models that are in the development hub, you can very easily move those into a production site. And you also have the flexibility, if you want to, using those APIs, to create your own custom web interface. So there are a lot of other features in Oracle Policy Automation that I'm not going to go into today, but know that Oracle Policy Automation really helps deliver smarter advice, along with the capabilities of the rest of Oracle Service Cloud and the rest of the customer experience portfolio. Thank you for joining the call today. I'll see you on the next release.